everyone. I'm here to spoken words. Who might be very nervous, speaking in front of a crowd. Here I am today. I'm here to speak a word about the word. The house in the world of together, standing up for what's right and what is possible. But we don't know, as Maureen said, about the warriors. Here is not the world. It's a door. It's a choice. Doesn't matter whether you're but no one can be on it. But becoming an all. But get up to try again. Think of further time in yourself. Because no one can be on it. First, only you're afraid.